Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do lashes, and this is just for me personally. I don't like to put on strip lashes every day, and I don't like to put on mascara every day. So this is just, I can do this once a week and wake up pretty and be good to go. So if you want to learn how to get this look, just keep watching. Sorry if you hear my kids screaming, but anyway, I just want to do a little bit of different video today and show you how I am going to do my lashes for the week. So I've got these pack that I ordered off of eBay. It's seen here, and I got this from Amber Shoal. I'm just going to chop these up into pieces and then stick them on my eyes, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So here, I'm just going to cut this into pieces. I'm multitasking and making chicken at the same time because mom life, so I'm going to go check on my chicken real quick. Alright, so here I have some hair glue. And my little piece. So I'm just going to take some glue. And I feel like hair glue sticks better than regular glue. I might need some tweezers. Alright, so I got my tweezers. And I'm going to be looking down at this mirror. Hope you can see me. So, just gonna stick it, probably start on the outside. So there's the first one. Oh shoot, came off. This is only my second time doing this, and the first time I used actual individual lash adhesive, but I feel like hair glue really sticks better. Despite that it just came off of my eye. Alright, so there's the first one. And it kind of has that feathered out effect. So then I'm going to move on to the second piece. I did these rather big. I think last time I did it smaller. There's a second piece. Making sure it's still recording. And squeezy, squeezy. I think I do go heavy-handed on the glue, but you could just take off what you don't want. I took off a little bit, so that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to move inward. this is just, I'm doing this because I love lashes. Sometimes I don't even, like, I forgot my mascara last week. So I had a whole face done. And I didn't have my mascara at work because I had an emergency bag of makeup, but I didn't put in mascara. And I really love the way lashes look, but I don't like having the whole strip on there just because that kind of looks gunky after a while. So this way you can have a lasting lash look and kind of customize it anyway. So see how it's starting to look. Alright, so I'm going to take my next piece, my next little chunky chunk here, and these ones really are shedding, but whatever. And I don't know if you can see me actually doing this or not, but hopefully you get the idea of what I'm doing. It's just like a natural lash looking look. So here I go. And for those people who say you're not supposed to use hair glue on your eyes, I've never had a problem. I've been doing this for on and off for a couple of years. So there's the third one. I'm gonna do another piece. Just a little bit of glue. And taking it, just sticking it on my lash line. What was that? And then I'm clamping it down. And the hair glue gets tacky a lot faster than the other regular glue, so it sticks faster. And I'm probably gonna do one more smaller piece on the inner corner and then call that eye a day, and then do the other eye, and then come back and show you guys the final result. So this is my last piece I'm going to stick on this eye. Yeah, I don't know why these are supposed to be minks or something, but when I did my other lashes the last time, like they're just the regular lashes, they did not shed this much. Oh my goodness. This has a little piece of the band on it. Okay, I'm scared to do the inner corners. Here I go. I can't get a good angle for this. Goodness, you guys are watching me struggle. Bust it. Bust it. Okay. There we go. There's me not poking my eye. So that's what it looks like so far. I could probably put a few more in the middle. I might use a different lash to do that, but you get the gist of it. You just chop it up, use some glue, put it on there, and it lasts, I feel like, longer than the strips. So I'm going to finish and then come back and show you guys the final result. This is the final result. What y'all think? No, but seriously though. So basically, I'm not gonna have to put on mascara all week long. It lasts about a week. Actually, it's really difficult to take off. Do not rip these off of your eyes. Use oil or some type of adhesive to remove the lashes. But here they are, and I'm gonna be all glam on the 5-minute routine, you know, because I gotta get the babies ready in the morning and stuff. But yeah, so here it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.